know he is a dog with, come here, see, a bee on his bottom. And guess what? We're bribing him with cheese. You like cheese? Tell me. What? 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 Good. Now, like friend, we've heard you speak. That's right. You have been asking over and over and over again, please, Brent, we need a video index. We want the TV show's index of episodes because it's all questions and answers and lots of good information. But I don't want to have to go through over 150 archives. So what do? We made it. We stayed up week after week, night after night, put it all together. And where can you find it? Go to my website, www.brentatwater.com, and you'll find under TV show the listing of episodes grouped according to categories. Now, if you'd like to ask a question to be included in our show, subscribe, be one of the first to know. But you can ask questions in our group below. It's a global group. Check it out. It's right down there. Or you can find us on Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter, and again, on my website you can send questions. But if you want to know the list of the questions and the categories, so if you want to talk about grief, or you want to talk about angel animals, or you want to see what we're talking about in animal healing, or animal communication techniques, or animal connection techniques, just go to BrentAtwater.com, click on TV show, and then you can copy and paste the link of the videos that you want, and then go back and see them. We think that works well. Or you can go and write down the numbers of the videos and go back on YouTube, and in the search bar on my channel, put the number of the video, 100, 250, 00H, because we've done it again to categories: healing, pet communication, animal connection, animal mediumship, signs, after death, transition, all sorts of things. And then we'll also have live events, readings, and media. So check it out. Go to TV show on my website, and you'll see all the episodes. We're listening to you. If you got any other suggestions, write us and let us know. See you next week. Subscribe. Be the first to know. Bye, bye, bye.